Janet and Garrett here from the Port Monkeys, and we are in Mazatlan, Mexico for today. And we just finished a salsa and salsa class where we made salsa and then we learned how to dance salsa. And we have some free time to spend before we have to get back on the bus. So we're just going to walk up and down the beach and let you enjoy it. So this is a paraglider. You know, no senor. This is the Royal Villas Hotel. That's where we did the class, although we booked it through Princess. Look for that video. Well,
you can also use the pool and the spa.
Not even open yet. Walk out here in the water for you. It's gotta be 75, maybe 80 degrees. Because it's not cold. I wonder if there's a drop. I don't want to go in the drop. You know, the shelf. Also don't want to get my shorts wet, and I just did. So, there's a band down there playing, hear them? It's good if you can't, because we're going to go the other way anyhow. Let's walk by this bird. I got really wet. Oh, there's two people. Oh, there's two of them there. They let the parachutes go flat. That guy held onto that thing for like a half an hour. Couldn't get any business, I guess. Lots of vendors. That's why I'm staying out in the water. I don't go in the water. Janet found something. There is a lot of hotels along this beach. Are a lot of hotels along this beach? Oh, it's warm right here. One of those two is Deer Island. Huh. playing some weird music. So I'm going to head into the water again to get away from it. Nice beach, reminds me of California. I mean, the color of the sand, waves. Catalina, San Clemente. No, probably not. Those are wouldn't come out in the water. Some of these things seem like they're old, some of them new, and some of them incomplete or something. That was my signal that I'm going to go right up there. I don't know why I felt the need to signal. There's a beauty here. And a big empty lot. Waiting for a hotel. There's not much beach area, and then when you get around it continues. This guy, they let build too far out, right? But that was the main street there. So anyway, from Mazatlan, Mexico, I'm Gareth. And we're saying see you in the next port. Alright? Which is Puerto Vallarta. Yeah.
Mañana.
Right? And then a place for boats, kayaks today now. And then another swimming area.